G'day guys, it's your Australian reviewers here, Zeb and Pete. We are testing the new 9-bot Max out today. Many reviewers out there, I think they're very little guys because they're about 70 kilos, but we're about 95 kilos, so we want to see what the 9-bot Max does on sports mode. Let's go and take a ride. Okay, well so far the 9-bot Max is quite nimble. Yeah, I love the nimbleness of it. You can turn it really quickly. The tires are super grippy on the road. A touch bumpy on the pavements with the little grooves and stuff like that, but road it's as smooth as anything. But that's only a small fault. Handles grass really well. And I love the tires. The 10-inch tires make it work really well. And the fact that they're puncture resistant as well, which is a great little quality to have. As for range, we're still testing that, but speed-wise, yeah, we're hitting about, on the Global Edition, we're hitting about 30 kilometers an hour, but I'm actually going about 35 going down the hills, which is good to know. It doesn't restrict it too much, but you want to fall off. And yeah, it's a great little scooter, easy to transport, quite light to carry. We're about to do a hill test right now, which is great, probably about a 30 to 40, probably a 30-degree incline, I'd say. So we'll see how this powers up those hills. You ready to go, Pete?
Ready to go.
Let's do this. Slow down too much, and yeah, that's a good maybe 20 to 30, maybe 25 degrees, I'd say, so not too bad. As you can see, the nimbleness of this scooter is fantastic. Like, gosh, you can do some really sharp turns. It's a great little holiday scooter. Seems like we're not having much luck today with these drink shops. Everything's closed. too fast. Right, here we go. We're about to have a little race up probably about a 15-degree incline, and we're going to see what difference a 5-kilo person with extra weight will do on this scooter. Okay, will it affect the speed? Let's have a look. All right, your call, Peter. Remember, it's a kickstart.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Go. Oh, there is a slight difference, I think. There you have it. So it just goes to prove that weight does make a big difference when it comes to scooters, on speed and on distance. Okay, now we are currently at 2 bars, and we're just doing a few laps around home now just to see how much further we can go. All right, let's keep going.
Yeah.
Well, there you have it, folks. We're on a red bar there. So we'll have a little bit of a look at the range test in a second and see exactly how far these scooters went. So what did you think, Pete? I fly paramotors. I fly paramotors. Anyway, that's over and out from Mr. Brisbane.